Welcome back to YouTube, home of the Nav Doctor. Today we're going to have a look at LEGO's newest robotics set, the Mindstorms Inventor, with over 50 app activities. Let's have a look at it. Yes, that's right, LEGO are back with another robotic system. This year they've brought us the LEGO Mindstorms Inventor set. This is to replace the old Mindstorm, the EV3 model. This time around, LEGO have introduced a new coding platform, and this uses the scratch style of block coding. They've moved away from the EV3G style of coding, making it easier for new learners to get into robotics and programming. LEGO have also given us the option to control your robot with a gaming controller, so this could be from your PlayStation, your Xbox, or even your PC. Within the new kit there are 5 main robots that you can build. We have Tricky, Charlie, Blast, MVP and Gilo. $51515 is the newest robotic set from LEGO. It contains 949 pieces, making it a great value of money, retailing at just $549. LEGO have included for us in the top and the bottom of the box some dividers to sort our LEGO pieces when you're ready to build. Although these do not have walls like the education versions, they will be very handy when searching for parts. As we go searching through all these bags, we can see that there's a wide range of pieces, from the new spike chrome wheels that are a bit skinnier than those EV3 ones, to different connectors, beams, axles, all the parts you're going to need to build whatever robot you like. With LEGO, you're not just limited to those build instructions, so get out there and do some free building. I know this kit is certainly going to be a great one to enter into the first LEGO League competition. As we move through the set, we can also see that we've been given a wide range of gears and panels to be able to build our robots. We can also see here now that they've included a new Technic base plate. This is rather large, so you could use that for many things, but it would be a good spot to attach your hub. We've got our normal micro USB charging cable, which is going to be great with the fact that we can use a rechargeable battery this time around. Included in the packaging, LEGO have also included a voucher for their parks and discovery centres. So if an adult pays, a child can get in for free. We also have the usual manual and those LEGO stickers. Now let's have a look at that all-important new Inventor Hub. First off in the box, as we open it up, we can see that we have the rechargeable battery. This is a much better improvement over the EV3 Home Edition, which required AA batteries. Time to have a look at that all-important new hub. So this hub features a 5x5 pixel display on the front. It has 6 input ports, which can be used for either motors or sensors. It doesn't matter which you plug in, they'll always work. You can also see that we have that micro USB charging port, as well as the speaker down at the other end. On the new hub we can have up to 19 different programs. These can be selected with those left and right buttons down the bottom using the large button to select them. Here we can see the start of that 5x5 pixel hub illuminating. This can be customised however you'd like throughout your programming. We also have a new colour sensor from LEGO. This time around we can see that it is much smaller than that EV3 model, but hopefully it will be still just as effective. This will be great for any line following programs or colour detection that you may want to use. The kit also includes a new ultrasonic distance sensor. Let's hope it's a bit more accurate than the previous model. As you can see, we've got the 2 detectors there at the front, and the cable is a great length for anything we may need to connect to. Also included are 4 of the new medium motors. On this new model we can see that we can connect from the side rather than the end, which may make it a lot easier to use these for driving. Well, that's a quick overview of the new LEGO Mindstorm Inventor robotic set. If you'd like to learn a bit more about this, keep an eye on the NavDoctor YouTube channel. We'll be building each of the LEGO models over the next few months. In order to do that, you'll need to hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and don't forget to click on that bell icon to get a notification. As always, NavDoctor